They started it all. One of the most influential Pinoy rock acts ever. And probably the best rock and roll band in the land. Catch them rockin' and rollin' in the biggest reunion concert ever. Ang Pagkalas, the Juan de la Cruz reunion concert, June 11th, Saturday at the World Trade Center, Ross Boulevard, Manila. Catch the pillars of Pinoy rock, Juan de la Cruz, Ang Pagkalas. Tickets are available at all SM Ticket and Outlet and at the Araneta Coliseum box office. Call 911-5555 for ticket info. Presented by PCSO, Pagcor, and Air 21.
And this is the Crossroads tonight, and the gang is all here. I'd like to welcome the Juan de la Cruz Band, Mike Hannibal, Wally Gonzalez, and Pepe Smith. Hi, guys.
All right.
Okay. Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. And, okay, guys. So, we're gonna have this reunion concert, huh, Mike?
Yes. June 11.
Saan yun? Sa
World Trade Center.
Okay. Yung mga tickets ba, Mike, available na?
Available na sa SM Ticketnet.
Ticketnet. Yun lang
Yes.
ba? Sa SM lang ba?
Siguro meron pa rin sa iba. Hindi ko alam. Yun lang alam ko eh.
Wally? Meron ba iba, Wally?
Yun lang alam ko.
Palagay ko sa gate siguro, meron.
Sa gate, ano?
Si Pepe, marami sa bulsa niya.
Pare, Pepe, may ticket ka ba dyan?
Ang dami ko sa bulsa. Doon nga sa SM Ticketnet. Juan de la Cruz reunion sa 11.
Okay.
World Trade Center.
You know what, guys? This has been a long-anticipated reunion concert. We've been talking about it for a few months now. We've been talking to Wally about it. And a lot of people have been trying to text in to find out more about the concert and all this. And, you know, we have a lot of new listeners here, Mike, in this program.
Oh, yeah?
A lot of young listeners. And, in fact, I played Project by earlier today.
Okay.
Sabi ng isa, boy, that was a cool Pinoy song. Who was the artist of that song? Sabi niya, no? So here they are, guys. This is live from the Crossroads tonight. The guys who sang that song, Project, is Juan de la Cruz Band. Okay, some people want to know, guys, the original members of the Juan de la Cruz was actually a triumvirate. Tatlo lang talaga, di ba? Tatlo lang talaga. There was Edmond Fortuna never played with you guys, or what?
Well, side ano siya? Yung session.
Session. Pero yung original na Juan de la Cruz, tatlo lang talaga.
Oo. Yung kasi sa mismong mga, let's say, southern tour namin, like Cebu or what, usually si Edmond sinasama namin to compensate for the...
Nakatayo na lang siya, minsan.
Kasi siya ang drummer talaga, si Pepe talaga ang drummer doon. And, well, you know, Edmond Fortuna, may his soul...
He's up there with the great ones.
That's right. He's jamming up there. When was the Juan de la Cruz formed, Wally? Kailan ba na-form ang Juan de la Cruz, pare?
Early 70s, 71.
71 ba yun?
Something like that.
71.
71.
72.
72.
72.
Oh, 72. How did it get formed? Were you guys friends already before? Or paano man na-form?
We were together in a different band.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Zero
like
History. Down Beats muna.
Down Beats, yeah. Down Beats.
And then Zero History.
That was in Japan.
Who was a member of the Down Beats?
Me, him, and some others.
So magkasama talaga kayo sa Down Beats. Ayun, yan ang mga hindi tinatanong.
Bali, lima kami, plus two
There were other
additional.
guys.
Yeah.
Okay, that's interesting because you know, we got questions here that they were asking how Juan de la Cruz band was formed. So there you go. So they were members of another band called the Down Beats.
Then Zero History.
And Zero History.
Yes.
Members din kayo doon?
Yun yung Japan bout namin. Nasa Japan kami for almost a year.
Wow! A year?
Yeah. And then after that, we went our ways again, and then me and Wally were just jamming around with some other members, and there was a time when Anak Bayan and our band merged together. We played at the Mar de Plata.
Where's that?
That's somewhere in Hong Kong. No. That's somewhere in Ross Boulevard. Gotcha there. Gotcha there. That was in Ross Boulevard. And then right after that band, when they went their ways again, Anak Bayan went their ways, and then we continued Dodi, the elder brother of Wally, suggested that we just play three together.
No, we
Right,
formed
right.
another band before that.
What was it?
Titino.
Ah, yeah,
the Titino band.
Yeah, right.
Pare, ang galing ng Titino band.
Yeah, Teodoro Tino.
Teodoro
Yeah.
Tino, right?
Yeah, that's Titino.
Band. Don't forget the band.
Band.
Yeah, the band.
Titino group.
People were wondering, the title of the concert is Ang Pagkalas. Bakit ano ba yun? Kanta ba yun? Ang
Yeah,
Pagkalas?
may kanta yan.
Wally, ano ba yun?
Si Mike ang author niyan eh. Yung
Oh, ba?
Pagkalas.
Pagkalas. Oh. Independence.
Independent, parang...
June 12 eh, di ba? June 11, June 12. Independence yan eh.
Ayun. Yeah, that's
right.
right.
Breakthrough.
Breakthrough.
Yeah.
So, did you ever make a song for that?
Yes.
Ang Pagkalas o...
Meron.
Yeah, you've been playing it here.
Yeah. You have it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Gotcha again. Gotcha, man.
Oh, man. All right. Okay.
You gotta have it.
Yeah.
It's been number one.
Yeah.
Would you like to tender your bar? Bar pala.
Oh, man. Okay, I'm getting caught in my own thing here. So,
Hello.
some people are asking, Wally, can you give me some tips about guitar style, blah, 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 from the Bacoor boys, people from Bacoor are now listening. And another question here, sobrang astig talaga ang Juan de la Cruz band. Sobrang idol sila, pare. Astig. Keep on.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Right on.
Thank you. Thank you.
And, okay, what other questions are here? Do we have a front act in the concert
Walang front act. We only have guests
that will jam?
during the show. Yeah, will jam with us.
All right. So, okay. Okay. So, let's play a tune from Juan de la Cruz. I think this is a favorite. This has been requested in my show here so many times. So, let's give it a shot. Okay. Woohoo!
Ay, tunog eh, no?
Oh, iba tal. So that was Teacher Enemy number 1. Pare, bakit sino ba sumulat nun? Ikaw, Mike? O si Wally? O
Hindi, Pepe.
Pepe.
Yeah.
And why did you write that song?
Why, aren't we the enemy of the teachers?
Sabi mo
Put it
nga.
bluntly, pare. Lakwadya rito, lakwadya doon.
Sabi ko nga, when we were in school, we used to listen to this song. Sabi ko, wow.
You almost didn't make it, huh?
Yeah, you bet, man. You bet. Pare, sabi ko, oh no.
Pagtularan.
There were some people that text in. Gladwin said, lupit ng Repe Pips, pare.
Repa Pips.
Repa Pips.
Yeah.
Pips.
Sabi niya, when Marconi invented the radio, there was only one thing in mind. That was the Juan de la Cruz band. Way to go, man. Way to go.
Yo!
Okay, we got a text here from Redhead. Who were your influences, guys? What made Juan de la Cruz Juan de la Cruz?
Marami.
Oh, Jose Rizal ang isa. Jose Rizal. Yeah, he was against the Spanish government, right?
Right.
And the colonization here. So we patterned Juan de la Cruz after him. We were fighting the
Ako si Lapu-Lapu.
establishment.
Sabi ni Mike, si Lapu-Lapu. Ikaw, Wally, pare. Kanino?
Apolinario, pare.
Ayun, si Apolinario.
Independence.
Actually, Juan de la Cruz is like...
Andres Bonifacio.
Juan de la Cruz is like to the Americans that they say Uncle Sam, right?
Yeah,
So
yeah.
it's Juan de la Cruz to the Pinoys, right?
Yeah, right.
And so the true Pinoy band really is the Juan de la Cruz, and they've been together for
Sa
so
dugo,
many
sa
years.
ugat.
Talaga. Through thick and thin.
Wow.
And we also watched the Juan de la Cruz band over at the Antipolo Rock concert many years ago.
Tagal na
All
nun.
right.
Tagal
Still
na nun.
remember, huh?
High school ka lang siguro nun, pare.
Medyo tagal na nun, pare. And so, okay, we had a request here for people who have not heard Ang Pagkalas. And I'm going to play it for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy this one. Remember, you guys want to ask anything from Mike, Wally, and Pepe, please do so at 2299. You got the text machine open. And here is Ang Pagkalas.
Yun ang pag-aklas, kalas na kami dito. Ayaw na namin
You're listening to The Crossroads with Captain Eddie on New Rock, New 107.
Okay, and that was Ang Pagkalas. Alright, and sino sumulat ito ba, Ang Pagkalas?
Si Mike sa music, ako sa lyrics.
Okay, Mike Hanapol and Pepe Smith collaboration, bringing you that great rock song. And parang dami natin text, hindi ko mabasa lahat ito. And some people were calling in from Cebu, saying hi to you guys from Cebu.
From Cebu?
From Cebu.
Okay.
Hi, Cebu.
Hi, Cebu.
Howdy, rock and roll, Cebu.
Right on. Paano is there by any chance we can get a show out in the province? Like
Nandiyan si sasagutin ni Danny.
They'll always be welcome.
We're planning to.
Yeah, well, Danny, the
Danny
producer,
over here, the producer.
is also here, and I was really congratulating him for really taking the effort and doing what it takes to get the band together. And I think, Danny, congratulations. I think you did it. And okay, we got some questions here. What's next for Juan de la Cruz after a Union concert? Any plans to release a full-length CD?
It'll be considered, but we want to tour right now. We just wanna, get up there and jam and make everybody happy.
You know what? That's a great idea, because a lot of people would really like to see you in person. We've everybody that goes to Wally show over Chakikos and Chakix, all these Fridays and Saturdays have been really Thursdays and Saturdays have been really getting a big kick out of it. And a lot of us seeing Mike Hanapol, who lives in New York City. And boy, guys, if you do a tour, I think that would be great. And
yeah, we're looking forward to that.
That's right. And
all those people from Davao and Iloilo. Yeah, we'd like to reach your shores and jam.
Right.
Baguio.
Oh,
Baguio, pare, medyo malupit sa Baguio. That's gonna be great. Marami kayong fans doon.
Talaga.
Marami kayong fans doon. Okay, we got a request also here to do a song from Mike Hanapol. I hope you guys enjoy this.
Crossroads with Captain Eddie on New Rock, New 107.
Umiikot-ikot na ba kayo? Ha? Well, umikot kayo sa Rojas Boulevard on June 11 dun sa
World
Trade Center. And we've got a couple of questions here as to, well, we have a question here. Is Mike going to play bass? Well, he's going to play rhythm and lead, right?
Yes,
We're going to
guitar.
take turns, right?
Yeah.
In the guitar. And I don't think you've ever played bass, Mike. Have you ever played bass?
Yeah,
I was
Juan de
playing
la
bass
Cruz.
with Juan de la Cruz.
He was the bass player at Juan de la Cruz.
That's right. Well, that's right. Okay.
Juan de la Banda.
We got a text here that says Juan de la Cruz is the backbone of Philippine rock scene. They symbolize the struggle of every Filipino in everyday life. Kudos to you guys. Jeprox, man.
Rock and roll. Thank
Rock
you.
and roll. Okay. We have also requests here from guys from Davao who are saying hello to you guys. And also, wow, so many texts, I can't read them all, no? But I want to play a song by Pepe. I don't think he's heard probably this song in a long time, but I hope you guys enjoy this one.
It's The Crossroads with Captain Eddie on New Rock, New 107.
Okay, that was a song from Pepe Smith from 1983 called Sa Iyo. Okay, and in the later shows of the Crossroads, we're going to be giving away just a few CDs of Pepe for all of you guys who haven't had a chance to get that CD. Well, you're going to have to win in my show, so you're going to have to listen to the Crossroads, okay, to get a chance to win a couple of CDs. But in the meantime, we've got tons and tons of texts thanking the Juan de la Cruz for being here, thanking the Juan de la Cruz for being Juan de la Cruz, thanking the Juan de la Cruz for rock and roll.
Rock and roll.
That's right, Pepe. And Pepe, you've had a lot of experience here and in Baguio also. You live in Baguio, right?
Yeah, right now I do.
And how is it living out there?
Oh man, fantastic.
It's great.
Really, good for the body and soul.
And that is just wonderful, man. And, well, Mike lives in New York. Where in New York do you live, Mike?
Queens.
In Queens.
Woodside, yeah.
Do you have a gig out there?
Yeah, I got a couple of gigs coming up. New Jersey and New York. 2 in New Jersey and 3 in Washington.
Ano, yung mga backup mo, mga Pinoy din?
Yeah, Pinoy din.
Lahat sila Pinoy.
But except for the village, I'll be playing in the village July 22. Kasi ang drummer ko puti.
At Greenwich Village.
Greenwich Village.
Wow, my favorite little place. Wow. Yeah. That's so good. And, well, Wally Gonzalez here. Wally, how you doing, pare?
Okay.
And, yeah, Wally is, well, you can catch Wally at the shows, at Chiquico's.
Every Thursday.
Every Thursday. Pero may
Yes.
gig ka din sa Alabang, di ba?
Ngayong month na to, wala.
Okay.
Yeah.
Pero sa Chiquico's and
Chakikos and Chakix. Chakix is located here sa Julio Vargas, Ortigas Center.
Okay.
By the way, I'd like to greet our business manager, belated happy birthday, Mr. Ray P.
Mr. Ray P.
Yes.
Happy birthday, Ray.
Belated.
Belated, Ray.
Si Ray P.
The ray of hope.
Right.
Well, Ray from the Crossroads too. Happy birthday, man. And wow.
Reva Pips.
Well, I played a song from Mike. I played a song from Pepe. Now I'm going to play a song from Wally. I guess this has been the biggest request here tonight. And
Before you do that, can I have
right.
another beer, please?
oh yeah, well, yeah. All right, man.
So
And
that's
here
Sandy
is
Live.
Wally's Blues. And okay. So, okay, guys, why don't we, Mike, can you please
Yes, I
invite
would
your
like to
fans?
say thank you to everyone and hope everyone will be there. No, June 11, World Trade Center, and you can get the ticket at SM Ticketnet, saka sa Araneta. I would like to say thank you also to our producer, Danny Barroso, for putting this together.
Right. Okay, Mike, and more luck to you. And pare, when you get back to the East Coast, say hello to all the Noipis out there for us.
Yeah.
Wally, can you?
Yeah, kita-kita po tayo, World Trade Center, June 11. Pwedeng sumigaw doon. Pwedeng
Pwede
magsayaw. Magsayaw, mag-rock and roll, lahat.
roll.
Pantanggal ng stress.
Yeah.
Pare, you bet.
Thank you, Senyu.
Okay, and Pepe?
Calling Davao, Cebu, Iloilo,
Baguio.
and the outstretched areas in the Philippines. I'll see you on June 11. Ang gawin na lang ninyo kung di kayo makakuha ng barko, languyin nyo na at mga to. Rap sa'yo, makipagkarera kayo sa mga pating. Anyway, kita tayo sa June 11 sa World Trade Center. Pag-ahon nyo, takbo kagad kayo sa Araneta o sa SM.
Makakatigan nyo yung pating.
Ticketnet.
Sama nyo na rin yung pating.
Para makapanood na rin. Para jamming tayo lahat.
Mga pating.
At para bumalik tayo sa pagka-18.
Mapauli buhok nyo.
Rock and roll! Rock and roll lang po ang kailangan natin. Salamat din kay Danny Barroso, producer namin.
Okay.
At sa lahat.
All right. Okay, and I'd also like to say hi to the guys from Clark Air Base. Lauro and gang, please make it over to June to the World Trade.
Lauro Clark, that's what I call him.
Lauro Clark, right?
Yeah, Ortil.
Yeah, those guys have texted in and they're tuned in and they're going to come over.
And we're also inviting all the ones that, really miss the Juan de la Cruz. Here's a chance that you'll be with us. Have a mighty party night that night, June 11th.
Yeah, and there's going to be some nice cold San Miguel's that are going to be served there.
Oh,
Thank you, NU. Thank you, NU.
And you, of course.
Right, and so that's it for the Crossroads tonight. I hope you guys had a good time. This is Captain Eddie, and don't forget next Tuesday.
Thank you, Cap.
You're welcome, man, and it was my pleasure. And next Tuesday, till then, stay well. Keep the seatbelts on if you're driving tonight.
Yeah.
And what was I going to say? Make the Crossroads a Tuesday habit. I'm going to leave you with one of my favorite Juan de la Cruz songs. It is called Balong Malalim.
Rock and roll!
Lalim.